Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, how to cut out an image in Canva? Well, let's dive in. In this video, I will show you two methods. First of all, in Canva, we don't have any Photoshop tools like a pen tool or a lasso tool. What we have is the crop option, and we do have a background remover. To use the crop option, make sure that your image is selected, and you will then find it here in the top toolbar. However, ever before we use that, you need to make sure that your image here is not set as a background. So I right-click on it and click on the Detach Image from the background. Now, if the image has too many characters or objects and you have to remove one separately, then you can crop the image. You can click here on Crop in the top toolbar, and you can crop your image by simply dragging here on the edges of your image. Once you're done, click on Done. Now, the background remover. Unfortunately, the background remover is a Canva Pro feature, but if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use the link in the description of this video to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. If you do have Canva Pro to use the background remover, simply click on the image, then click on Edit Image in the top toolbar, and then click on Background Remover, and shortly after the background will be done and your image will be cut out. Now, before I let you go, I will show another method to remove the background free. Open a new tab and type remove.bg. Click on the first link and upload the image, or you can copy and paste the image address or URL, and the background removal process will start. And now you can download it in PNG format. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. I will catch you in the next amazing video.